Good morning, friends. Welcome to another blog. आज हम करेंगे Today we're gonna do changing of the front brake pads of Hayabusa Gen 3. The front caliper is Brembo. Mine is a 2024 September model. First and foremost, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this and these two bolts. Here, this is the first thing we're gonna do. Now, once we open these two bolts, the entire caliper is going to slide out. When I do that, I'll let you know. However, before starting that, what we're going to do is this is the oil brake oil reservoir. It's dirty right now. Brake oil reservoir. Even though it's showing more or less full here, we will definitely open it up. Reason being, once we push the brake pistons back, the reservoir level is going to rise. So we might have to take out some brake fluid. What I'm planning is I've got a new bottle, so I'm going to change the entire brake fluid, but I will not be bleeding the brake lines. Okay, let's do it. Let's start with opening the bolts. Now we have to go anti-clockwise. Okay, not the clockwise, anti-clockwise. To tighten it, the torque that is required is 23 Nm of torque. Very easy to open it. Remember, open it clockwise. Once I open it, then I'll show it to you further. I have loosened the bolts. Now I'm going to take it out. First bolt is out. The second bolt is also out. And all we're going to do is take it out, slide it over. Very simple. See? Easy peasy. Even though these brake pads are original and they still will run for some time, but I think it's better if I change with new ones, just for my own satisfaction. Okay, we can see these pistons are so dirty. Before retracting it, we will have to clean it. Now to take these out, the brake pads, we just have to push it here and push it like this. Okay, so it should come out easily. Before doing that, we will have to push the piston slightly back. So let's do that. First, let us clean the pistons so that the dust does not go inside the seat. Now what we're gonna do is slide it out like this, like this. See, it's out. Dust is out. Still dirty, but I've cleaned up again. Second one also slide it out here. Slide it out like this. The second one is also out. It's very dirty. So I'll just clean it up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna also open up the brake oil tank. Next step I said was to open the इसको हम खोलेंगे आराम से, ठीक है ना। इसका नीचे का पोर्शन है, ये इसके ऊपर आता है भाई साहब। और फिर एक सी हो जाएगा कुछ। I have taken out some of the brake fluid so that once I push the pistons a bit more, the level is going to increase, and I don't want brake oil to spill over because it is corrosive. See, I have pushed the pistons back, and I'm going to install the brake pads now. I'm going to open them up and then install it. See, it's now neat and clean. Even the pistons are neat and clean. Yeah. Now, before we install the brake pads, let's use some sandpaper on both of them and also on this plate. I don't know what's that called, whatever it's called, rotor plate or whatever. So we're gonna put some sandpaper on that. I have 100 number and number and that number. It has to be, cleaned up. So let me clean it up and then I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, I have fixed one brake pad facing inside. Let's do the second one. So what we're going to do is this pointed side, these two pointed horns should go up first, and this pad. This one end should go on it. And see, I can do it with even one hand. Wow. See, it's so simple, guys. No rocket science. I can straighten it up. Do you see? It's done. Wow. With one. In case of an emergency, just you need to have is a 12 number goti to open the bolts and spare pads. And we are good. See, it's done. It's done. Now what you need to do is you got to check one more thing. If this thing is, this thing has to be proper. And it is proper. Okay, let's put it back and then close it up. Now, the easy part. This. Okay, that's it. We are done. Just will have to that's it. Just have to put the bolts back and we're good. Remember the torque, 23 Newton meter of torque, and then we're good. Okay, very good. Just tug it a bit up and down. Okay. Initially, you tighten it with hand. Give it a slight nudge. Now tell me, guys, is it difficult? Next comes the torque. 23 Newton meter of torque. Oh, I put it on the wrong side again. 23 done. 23 done. This thing is done. Okay, then now we are on the final step. See the level and see this one. It goes right till the back. So we have to pump it, but have to make sure that it doesn't really go too less. Now it's getting tight. Nice and easy. No sudden jerks. It's now perfect. Perfect. Thank God for that. Thanks, Papa Ji, for that. Okay, now we move on to the next one. It's the same thing for the next one as well. Before starting the right hand side, let me show you how the pin looks. Sounds fantastic. That's good. Everything is in order. Perfect. Okay. Good luck to you guys for changing this. It's very easy. Welcome back, friends. Let's do it for the right side. Again, first bolt, second bolt. You need to open it up. Remember, anti-clockwise. Let's do it anti-clockwise like this. The threads are very delicate, so you need to be very careful while opening these bolts. Used to, all right. So let me open it up and show it to you. Take it from here. Wait a second. Okay. Here comes the first bolt. Then comes the second bolt. And I'm going to slide it out. Nice and easy. No sudden jerks. Nice and easy. It easily comes out very easily. There is still some things left in this the brake pads. These are the original brake pads. Okay, let's clean it up like the way we did for the left side one, and then we take it from there. So the left side brake pad has also been installed. Everything is clean, and we are ready to install it back. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Well, let me show you how to fill up the oil later on. Okay, there is the second brake pad. Right side brake pad has also been installed. This is how they look. Everything is perfect. Duty now. When it's been done. Okay, now let's do the next step, that is pressurizing it. Okay. See what is the level here. Now let's. Lever is gone all the way back. Keep an eye on the level. Come tight. Come hard. Mission accomplished. I'm going to top it up, and then we should be good. This is below the level now. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any doubts or comments, please do mention it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.